welcome back, and welcome to Ron's World. Alrighty, I'm here with the Rosewill Spectra C 100 ATX mid-tall case that I personally bought as a birthday present for myself. I removed the old parts out my old case, so I want to give my entertainment build a better, refreshed look. The reason why I chose this case because it's roomy. I like the mesh designs of the airflow. I like it that it comes with 4 blue, pre-installed blue. That's right, 4 pre-installed fans. Yes. The reason why I like this up because it saved me money on buying the RGB fan kit. So it saved about like $40 into the bank. Now, the reason why I love this case here, one is like I said, the mesh design. Okay, here we go. One thing I love about this case here, motherboard support. It supports a micro ATX, it supports an ATX, it supports an ITX and a Mini-ITX. Now with the fan options, just like I said, it comes with 3 pre-installed LED blue 120mm fans. It also comes with the rear 120mm fans. Yes, as you see, mesh panel, easy cleanup, airflow. You got the mesh panel on the side. So yes, you're getting a whole lot of air in this case to keep your components cool and to keep your components from overheating. That's what I love about cases. If your cases are not mesh design, don't have a better airflow, don't buy it. So all you're doing is just making your components suffer. Yes. Moving right along. Up top, as you see, it has your 2 3.0 USB ports, 2 2.0 USB ports, your headphone jack, your microphone jack, your LED, hard drive light, power button, reset button. Here, once again, perfect, magnetic, easy move, easy clean. As you see, airflow. Beautiful. In case you don't have airflow, then you screwing yourself badly. Now, here you could add 2 120mm fans or 2 140mm fans. That's your option if you need it. Now, if you want to go all RGB, you can remove the fans out, and as you hold, it holds 6 fans support. You could go all 120s, or you could go 3 120s, 120 in the back, or you could go 120 up front, or you could go 240. That's your option you have for the top. Now, if I was doing it with all RGB, I'll get me a 6 RGB kit, 120mm fan, and I'll just max it out. But once again, I love this case because it came with fans installed. Save me some money on buying the RGB kit. Alrighty. Moving right along. Max GPU support is 350mm, which is 13.79 inches. Yes, it's 13.79 inches, so do not go over your GPU. If you go over your GPU will be expanded out this far, and you're going to be covering up a lot of room. You're going to have the room to do your cable management, etc. So you should keep your GPU length right up on here, facing towards the motherboard, not extending over. So your max GPU length is 13.79 inches. Now, CPU height, please do not go over 160mm. If your CPU is over 160mm, then you made a mistake. Make sure that you do your CPU measurement before buying this case. Your CPU measurement should be under 160. My CPU is a Thermaltake Contact 120mm CPU fan cooler. The height of that is 153mm. Yes, I'm 7 inches under, so it's going to fit in here perfectly. This is going to fit in here wonderful. No issues. and I gotta have all the air, all the heat can just pump right up from the top. And when the AC's on, all the cooler can just swoop right in and just keep my components at a nice thermal cool level. Moving towards the back. Alrighty. You have two 2.5 hard drive mounts. You got your 3.5. You go house two 3.5 hard drives up in here. They got my fan controller. They got my cable management tie downs. No problem with that there. So once I get done with my tie downs, all is great. Now the dimensions of the case. So please pay attention to the aesthetics here. Dimension height is 17.80 inches. Width is 8.15 inches. And diameter is 17.72 inches. I love the width of 8.15. I ain't got to worry about nothing all cram up when I put the tempered glass on. My cables are roomed. They're not bent. They're not being suffocated by the case glass. So other than that, make sure that your width of your cases be about 8.15 or better. The bigger the width, the bigger the height, and the dimensions is great for doing your build. And I know y'all go heavy with them big ferocious CPUs, so that'll be good for you. Once again, I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and once again, I love y'all. Y'all take care. Y'all have a great night. Peace.